Manipur's Chief Minister Biren Singh announced that Manipur fire service teams have started to work to clear obstructions and restore the flow of the Naga River at North AOC Imphal. This is part of ongoing efforts to remove flood water and clean waterlogged areas. The flash flood situation in Manipur has shown significant improvement, with water levels receding in most of the previously inundated low-lying areas. However, parts of Khairamban Imphal market remain affected, causing shops and businesses to remain closed for the past 3 days. State IFC Minister L. Sushildro assured that the public that the flood situation in Imphal city, including the market, will be under control within 2 days, promising a swift return to normalcy. The IFC department has been actively monitoring the flood-affected regions and is implementing measures to manage the situation. In a statement to the media, Minister Sushildro emphasized that the IFC department has been visiting all flood-hit areas in Manipur. Additionally, they have arranged alternative sources to ensure an uninterrupted drinking water supply to the residents.